Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 132 Sandford Road, this spacious 3-bedroom semi-detached house with garage to the side and a long garden to the rear. You can see the driveway here to the front of the house. Okay, and into the property we've got the hallway here with the staircase leading up to the first floor. Two reception rooms and the kitchen on the ground floor, along with the cloakroom here on the right hand side with WC and wash basin. Built-in understairs storage cupboard, and then through to the first reception room, currently set out as a bedroom with a double glazed bay window. And then moving through to the rear reception room, where we have double doors out to the garden, inset open fireplace. And continuing into the kitchen, where we have integrated fridge freezer, washing machine, dishwasher and double oven, along with the gas hob on the top. Door to the side there leading through to the garage. And into the garage, and we've got double doors there out to the front of the property, and a door out to the rear garden with the wall mounted gas boiler here as well in the corner. And then the door to the side back through to the kitchen. Okay, and up onto the first floor we have 3 bedrooms up here and the bathroom. First bedroom here at the front with a bay window to the front aspect. And then next bedroom here with a view across the rear garden. And then bedroom 3. Another good sized double room. And through to the bathroom, where we have bath with shower attachment, WC, and a wall mounted wash basin there as well. Okay, and moving outside into the garden, quite an extensive space out here. So we have this first lawned section, and then a step up to the next area. Where quite a lot has recently been cleared. And then the garden continues a little bit further through beyond these trees here. And that concludes the viewing for the property. So if you would like to have any more information or to arrange a physical viewing, then please do give us a call, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye bye.